in Gmail, Google, whether it's Google Workspace or the free Gmail, attachments in your email take up space in your Google Drive. You can see right here that I'm looking at my email and it's telling me that I've used 0.61 gigabytes of my 15 gigs of this free Gmail account, Burris Consulting at Gmail. I've used that much space. Now, yes, I have a lot of content in my Google Drive. I don't have a whole lot. I have 639.3 megabytes of 15 gigs. But the email messages, specifically the attachments in email, also take up space in Google Drive. Now, what are the options? So if I click on that email message, here's the attachment. I have three different options. I can hover over this icon right here, allows me to save to photos. Okay, so I can put it in photos, but by the way, that takes up space in Google Drive. I can also, if I look at this option here, I can add to Drive. But again, that takes up space in Google Drive. The only other option I have is to download this. So when I go to download this, now depending upon how your browser is set up, it may either bring up this screen right here and let you decide where you want to put it, or it's going to download it into whatever your downloads folder is. Mine is downloads right here. But I have the choice of taking this file and putting it anywhere I want. Again, my goal is to get it out of Google Drive, i.e. get it out of my email so it doesn't take up space in Google Drive. So I can save it anywhere I want. I've made a decision in my business to use three places to save content. Number one is in Google Drive. Any Google Docs, predominantly all of my Google Docs are saved in Google Drive. Number two, I use Dropbox. Now, I've integrated Dropbox into my processes because it's another place for me to save content so that I don't have to rely on a hard drive on a computer. Plus, because I use a MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air and I use an iPhone to get to my content, I can get to my Dropbox or my Google Drive content from anywhere. I don't have to rely on a specific device. So that's a great place for me to save that content. Bottom line, if you want to minimize the impact your attachments in your email is having on your Google Drive, the only option you have is to delete it. But before you delete it, you have the ability to download it with that icon right there and put it somewhere either in your hard drive space or alternatively, if you do use another online storage location like I do with Dropbox, you can put it there. Make a decision. Are you saving all your attachments in email? There's nothing wrong with that, but you may be forced or pressed to subscribe to more Google Drive space. If you don't want to subscribe to more Google Drive space, the only option you have is to download the file and then delete the message and empty your trash. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.